Do you really want coffee?
Oh.
Really?
Oh.
Have you tried before?
Yeah.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog! So, for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ng Taipei. Dadalhin na ako ni Patrick ng Taipei dahil anong pupuntahan natin doon?
Yes.
Kakausapin ko ito ng Tagalog. Ako sasagot. Kung may maiintindihan sa Tagalog. I'm gonna talk to you in Tagalog and you have to talk to me in Tagalog. Are you sure you can? Nakagat mo ko. Katay ka ko. Nandito na kami guys. Naglalakad na kami. Gusto daw niyang kumain ng poke guys. Sabi niya kung kumakain daw ako ng poke. So papunta kami ngayon. Nahanap namin yung poke. Tingnan natin kung masarap ba yung poke na sinasabi niya. How far is that? Not so far.
I might need your phone because I realize my phone doesn't have any
But do
connection.
you really want coffee?
Oh.
Really?
Oh.
Have you tried before?
Yeah.
So finally guys, we're here at Poke restaurant. It's like sushi.
Can I see? I'll try this one, but maybe my phone is not there, so maybe you have to use it.
Parang sushi pala siya guys. You don't have internet in your phone?
No, I think it's already expired.
I thought you just got recently.
But I only got a 10-day plan. And now it's already because I didn't want to buy for when I'm on the trip.
Tapos na kaming kumain ng poke guys. And it's really yummy. It tastes really good. At first I thought I'm not gonna like it, but it's ended up, oh, it's yummy! The poke is really the poke tastes really good. So guys, if you want to try poke, go for it. Ay, sobrang sarap din sa kayo magsisisi. And the good thing is healthy siya guys. Kasi more on veggies siya. So now, bibili naman kami ng milk tea. Diba? Kumain ng healthy tapos diretso milk tea. Ganun din. Balik. You will take my 150, the one I talked to.
No, it's okay. I just pay my card.
Oh? You don't have cash? I have cash here. You can use
This has machines, so I just use the card.
Really? Nabudog ko siya. Hiningi ko kasi yung 50 coins niya dahil iniipon ko kasi yung mga 50s. So nakita ko hawak niya yung 350. Sabi ko akin na lang. Sabi ko papalitan ko. Kaso hindi ko na pinalitan. Nabudol ko bakla! And you said I'm scam, di ba? You said I'm scam?
No.
Bumibili si Patrick ng milk tea, ayun o. Sa Shell, diba? Ganyan dito guys, ka-high-tech sa Taiwan, ayun o. Pa-machine-machine lang. So, hindi na kailangan mag-asikaso ng counter ng tao. Pindutin na lang yung machine, tapos card na lang yung pambayad. Sana ganun na rin ka-improve sa Pilipinas para less hassle, diba? So, ganyan guys. Kailangan niya akong anuhin ni Patrick ngayon dahil bukas sa away siya. Tinutuyo ako palagi. Ito na guys, ang aking milk tea. Fruity yung in-order ko, hindi milk tea kasi pass muna tayo sa milk tea guys. Siya ang in-order niya is brown sugar. Parang hindi ko siya bet. Makikipagpalit ako. Kahanap ako ng shampoo. Can I try yours?
No, it's very hot, so I'm just gonna wait.
Why did you choose half?
I put warm, but for some reason they give me hot.
You just don't want me to try yours.
Okay.
Try it. Diba? So let's switch na.
Oh no!
Let's switch na-miss ko ang Taipei actually. Si Patrick hindi kasi lagi naman yan dito. So dahil nga nasa New Taipei kami, 'di ba, naglipat. So bihira na akong pumunta dito. Pero wala naman isang oras yung layo sa biyahe. Malapit lang. You know guys, what I like in Taiwan is I mean, marami namang bagay na pwedeng magustuhan ko sa Taiwan, pero isa sa gusto ko sa Taiwan is being safe kahit na maglakad ka ng hating gabi. Sobrang ligtas ka dito, as in walang mga snatcher, walang mga mandurugas. Pwede masuotin lahat ng alahas mo, dalahin, gamitin mo lahat ng mga gadget mo nang hindi mawawala. Yan guys, hating gabi maglakad ka sa eskinita, sa park, safe na safe kang makakauwi. Unlike sa Pilipinas, especially dyan sa Manila, Diyos ko po Rudy, sana naman mangyari din ang ganito ka-safe sa Pilipinas. Me and Patrick will move in Philippines soon. And he will experience the hard life there.
Oh my God.
And then, we don't have job, we will just ride in the Carabao, eat the kamote. You know what is kamote? It's just like sweet potato.
Oh, yeah.
Yum, yum. Tingnan natin. You will experience the so hot weather. Naglalakad na kami ngayon guys, pauwi. Pero dumaan kami dito sa, ewan ko, kung saan to? Where is this place?
Junction?
Junction. Kung nakikita ninyo, marami pa Christmas light dyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa nila inaalis. Tapos naman ang Pasko. Tapos na rin ang New Year. So, bakit may paganyan pa? Ayan. Siguro alisin nila ito after ng Chinese New Year. Diba? Babe, I remember, oh, daming dikya. May padikya dito, guys. Diba? Dikya. Patrick is being nice to me today because he will leave me tomorrow. He will go to Vietnam. Dapat kasama ako guys sa Vietnam. Kaya lang ang nangyari, na-cancel yung sa akin kasi nga masyadong mahal. So, mamahal yung ticket. Sabi ko next time na lang. Kaya siya na lang. Kasi maaga talaga siya nakapag-book. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na papayagan ako sa work ko. Kaya, nung nalaman ko na sobrang mahal as in triple sa pamasahe niya, kinancel ko na lang. Sabi ko next time na lang. And I think hindi siya ganun ka-worth it kasi imagine 16K tapos 3 days lang na. It's hard to earn money. Kahit siya yung magbabayad, hindi naman ako ganun kahangal. Do you understand what I'm saying? Wow! Look at this, guys. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you. Da-da-da. Babe. So we're finally home, everybody. And so yeah, that's our day. That's my day with my Apham. So yeah, thank you for watching, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Love you all.